give it some gas. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Japan. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be kind of sad, but still going to be fun. It's going to be the last POV drive of the R33 Gtr while it's in Japan. I just talked to Dawson from Garage Defend. He's going to pick the car up either Monday or Tuesday. So let's go take it for a spin. Early morning Sunday. It seems like a lot of traffic, but I know you guys like these videos. Oh man. Let's do it. Please excuse the cord. It didn't charge last time. My GoPro didn't. So, all right. It's what's the person doing? Jesus. Let's go. Oh man, I'm gonna miss this car, guys. I'm gonna be driving the scooter and the Slowbaroo for the last couple of weeks while I'm here. Altezza. Man, it's a lot of cars. What is going on? 7 o'clock on a Sunday morning, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna be driving this Slowbaroo and the scooter, and Chris actually is gonna let me borrow his Evo. He's in the States right now taking a course, so he's gonna let me drive the Evo. Should be fun. Kind of keep it running, but also I get to ride in style. Sweet highest. We gotta let the oil temp heat up here before we give it any type of gas. I'm just gonna miss driving around in this. Oh my gosh, guys. There we go. Put the defroster on a little bit. It's kind of humid this morning. Oh yeah. Sunrise. We'll go up here and check out Comprehensive Park a little bit. It's a nice view of the water. I think that backfire might have scared that lady, actually. Her window is down. And I had a lot of you guys comment on that toge video about all my little tiny trees. I just thought it was funny. I put them all there. Sorry, got a little distracted. So, yeah, I just put them all here. I kept adding to them, and I thought it was pretty funny, so I just, like, you know, never took them down. And now there's like 38 of them or something. I talked to Dawson. He said I got to take everything out of the car when he ships it, so I'm assuming my tree collection will have to go, and once I get back to the States, I'll have to restart a new one. Man, that's a huge crane. Sunrise, gorgeous. Take you guys along the water here. This is a really cool street. There's like a lot of shops here. They have like a lot of little coffee shops, restaurants. See if I can find any cool cars parked along the way. I like this. They have all the graffiti. I don't know if you can see on the seawall here. There's all this graffiti, whale, sharks, turtles painted. A lot of really cool stuff. That's really awesome. Little restaurant there. Restaurant here. You got the French restaurant. I had a French flag, Italian flag, a turkey flag, Turkish, I guess I would say. So everybody says where I'm going that in Louisiana the roads are real bad. don't know how much worse they can be than Japan. They do a lot of patchwork here, so you can see, I don't know if you guys, the camera's capturing it, but there's all kinds of bumps and things. So they do a lot of patchwork, and it's really not a smooth road, but I don't mind. Oh, got a Legacy, got a slow brew. Got a breakfast joint. Cool. Man, this new exhaust, it sounds so much better. Got here a little old Mark II. That's pretty awesome, actually. So this is like a residential, nothing crazy. Haven't seen really any cool cars other than the Mark II yet, so trying to keep our eyes peeled for at least like an S chassis or something. RX-7 would be cool to find. I don't know. I've never really been over on this side of town. Should we go? I'm gonna go right. Let's see what's this way. I don't know how the GoPro's handling that lens flare or the sun. I don't know if you guys can even see or not. Okay, apparently. All right, guys, let's get on some roads. Some main roads here. Let's see if we can get some turbo spools and things. I think I looked at a house out of here when we first moved to Japan. I think we came to down here to look at that house that we just saw. I'm not 100% certain though. Make sure nobody's coming. I have no idea where I am. Oh, I should go that way. So we'll. I can't believe we haven't found one JDM Legend yet. Nothing. Oh shit. Sorry, that was really loud. Oh, what the? Yo, is that an El Camino? That is awesome. Got the El Camino, look at the truck bed. That is so cool. I did not expect to see that. Okay, where am I? All right, we gotta figure out how to get out of here. Okay. Oh, I see an Altezza. It might be a car dude. I saw him looking. All right. I'm gonna follow all the traffic. I bet they're going back out to 85 or whatever that road is. Yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, so sorry guys, I hope that video is not boring so far. I'm just trying to find, you know, a real quick video. I have to go, whoopsie. We got stuff to do today, so I can't, unfortunately can't drive the car all day today like I wanted. Oof. If you guys been watching the channel a while, you know I said I wanted pops and bangs, and I finally got an exhaust that gives them to me. I don't know if I have any fireballs yet. Obviously I can't see the back of the car, but I imagine a little bit, right? All these Domino delivery mopeds or scooters. Do you guys like the steering wheel? I freaking love it. I know I made a video about putting it on, and I was super excited about it, but it only got like 400 views. It was just, I was on ROM at the time, come back from Saudi Arabia, and I was like so excited to put it on, but nobody else cared, I guess. So they're gonna have the right of way here. We gotta wait for these kids to. right, so give it some gas. Man. Oh God, I love this car so much. I have to blur out that speedometer. Is there like a festival going on? What is up with all this traffic? If you have any questions that you're curious about, like what it's like to live in Japan, or you know, anything, what it's like having, you know, a GTR, or if it's hard to drive on the right or left hand side, and any questions at all, man, please put them in the comment section. I'm really authentically curious and want to provide you guys with as much good information as I can, you know, while I'm still here, while it's fresh in my mind. Okay, so we don't have that. Oh, we get a little tunnel pull here. Oh man, I wonder if this car is gonna be, I don't really think it's all that loud. I mean, it's loud, but it's not like crazy straight pipe loud. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm so sad to see this beast get picked up. Like I said, the next couple of days, I'm not excited about it. But moving forward, you always got to find the silver lining and make the best of every situation. So if you enjoyed the video, like, comment as always. I'll see you next time.